Hey there. You might not remember me, but you might remember one of my most popular videos. Back in the day, I used to have a video series on YouTube called How to Make Pastrami Like a New York Deli. When I started doing YouTube over 14 years ago, I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't know what YouTube was, and I honestly had no clue about subscribers and all the engagement that is happening when you post a video. At some point, I stopped filming videos, and life happened, and it took me places. I used to live in New York and New Jersey, and after that, I moved to Florida, and I completely forgot about it. And I actually got into cooking professionally, and I worked in a lot of fine dining. And after that, I took over the management of a very highly successful seafood department with over $3 million in sales every year. So we're extremely busy and we're bringing a lot of insane seafood. So I've learned a lot. And a few days ago, I was looking at my YouTube channels, and I was looking at the analytics of my cooking channel. And when I noticed how many subscribers I had and how many views I had and all the engagement, I felt really upset about me quitting YouTube. And for that reason, I want to come back and I want to start filming again. So I've learned a lot throughout the years, and I want to show you a lot. I'm going to show you things such as how to cook steak like a high-end steakhouse, how to properly cut and clean meat and seafood, and how to cook a quick meal after a hard day at work. I'm so excited about what we have ahead of us. In my next video, I want to show you how to make the greatest tacos in the world. I currently live in Florida, and I get to try a lot of tacos here. There are amazing taco restaurants, and I get to experience with a lot of recipes. So stay tuned for my next video. We're gonna learn how to make amazing tacos, and I'll see you soon.